To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free, and it'll help you learn this song a whole lot easier. Plus, there's a few surprise gifts for you inside of the blueprint. Okay, it's time for a little acoustic soul. This is my version of an old Curtis Mayfield song called People Get Ready. So I'm going to run down the chords for you, show you a few tricks on it, and kind of do it my way. And by the way, thanks for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate it. Love to hear a comment from you if you got one, and ring the bell if you want to get notifications. We give away a lot of free stuff. Every Wednesday we have a winner. Give away free guitar courses, all kinds of stuff. So stay in touch, and here's People Get Ready, my version. I'm going to do it in the key of A. This has been done, obviously, a million different ways by a lot of different people. And I'm going to give you some alternative chords that I like to use in the song. So it starts out in the key of A, and I do a little lick. That's kind of the meat of the song right there. So the first chord is an A chord, and you can do it a number of different ways. I like doing this version. That's a voicing of A where you're doing a regular A chord like that. You know, some people do it like this, which is fine if you want to. But to get an R&B, what I call acoustic soul sound, I like that or this. Now what this is a way of playing an A chord. Normally you could play a barred like this, which is fine. But in the context of this song, when I'm doing that little lick, what I'm about to show you, I think that works. I call it a partial. And that's the fingering of it. This is just like a bar chord, except you let that open A ring. And the reason I do it that way is because I can get that move. So before I go any further, let me just spell out the chords for you. So you got an A chord, playing like that, a bar chord, or like this, which I prefer in this song, and I'll have lots of reasons why. And you got an F sharp minor, looks like that, a D, and then back to an A. And if you want to start down here, you can. But I like getting those notes in there. So it's a little bit of a stretch with the pinky. Don't worry about it. If you want to hit it like this, that's okay too. F sharp, and then D, and back to an A. More. And then I do a little turnaround where I do an F sharp minor to a B minor, and then I add to a B minor seventh with an E in the bass, which I like that voicing. It looks like just like a B minor, which you probably know by now. It's the bar chord. And then I open up I add the low E and take my pinky to the high A note, 5th fret, with my pinky, and it makes this chord here. 7th with an E in the bass. Okay? Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement, and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday we pick a new winner to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the YouTube channel and you're automatically registered to win. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, and get updates for when new videos are uploaded. And make sure you like this video and comment down below for even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our daily video and in the community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called, and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson. So let me show you, before we go any further, I'm just going to go ahead and play the rhythm. People get ready, there's a train a-comin'. Don't need no baggage, just get on board. All you need is to hear the diesels humming. Here's where I go to my F sharp minor. You don't need no ticket. And then I do the B minor with the E in the bass. You just get on board. Back to your A. Okay? So those are the chords. That's how it goes. I love, I've done a couple of projects I call acoustic soul. Sometimes I'll play playing out with a little small, like, abbreviated version of a band. I do it with my buddy Dan, who's a great keyboard player and multi-instrumentalist. We'll go out and play. And we call it acoustic soul because that's what it is. And this song, I think, lends itself to that style for sure. So if you start out with that lick, I would suggest palming, kind of mute palming with your right hand to get this sound. It kind of swings, right? It's an open E, and then the second fret on the E with your second finger, open A, and then again second fret, second finger, low E, and open. So it sounds like this. So that last lick is open A, F sharp, A. And when you hit that A, you're into the song. So as far as the rhythm goes, I'm doing a kind of a chank rhythm, right? You could just play it straight if you want. You just do, people get ready, there's a train a-comin'. But I kind of like the feel of a, people get ready, train a-comin'. Don't need no ticket, you just get on board. So you can definitely have some artistic expression on that one and how you do it. Whether you want to play it straight, that's okay too. But I do like the little stabs, I call them. And there's really no way to explain that. I could try to diagram it out for you, but it's just a feel thing. You got to watch and listen, and you'll get it. But for those of you that are a little more advanced on that D chord, so you got A minor, F sharp minor, D, A. When you go to that D chord, if you're wanting to hit a bar chord, which is an alternate D from this, you can do this little lick. That's a little bit more advanced, of course, but you're basically hammering on your A string and your D string. You'll hear that a lot. Hendrix does that a lot, and he was inspired very much by Curtis Mayfield. So that's people get ready, and so I just want to kind of take. I want to take the second part where it goes. People get ready, train a-comin'. Don't need no baggage, so just get on board. So that's just the A, F sharp minor. Now here's where I do a little bit of a change. I go to the F sharp minor, you don't need to the B minor, and then I open up that E, hit a B minor 7th. It looks like this. You got your pinky on the 5th fret of the high E. The rest of it is a straight B minor 7th, but you got that low E. I like the sound of that. Don't need no ticket, just thank the Lord. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do all those together. I'm going to play it simply, and then I'm going to go more advanced. So the simple version is just, people get ready, there's a train coming. Don't need no baggage, you just get on board. Now a little more advanced. All you need is strength. Hear the diesel humming. Here comes the F sharp minor. Don't need B minor. Open E. Just thank the Lord. Now the only other thing I wanted to show you was a couple little. You can just do that. It's kind of a cool little wiggle. So that's basically just taking the first two notes in the A chord, which is an E and an A. So this is little fourths. You'll hear that a lot in R&B. Just doing fourths up and down. And the way that goes in practice is it's like a little coloring in between. And that's how you use that D. So these are all just kind of fun little, I call them connective tissue. And this is a little bit more advanced than normal, I know. But if you want to play the song just simple, you can always just do the people get ready. Easy strum, nothing wrong with that. And then as you get more advanced, you can get it all the little kind of special sauce. People get ready. There's a train coming. Don't need no baggage. Just get on board. So that's my version of People Get Ready, and I know it's got a lot of information, but I wanted to just do something a little bit out of the ordinary and kind of give you my my take on a classic Curtis Mayfield song, People Get Ready. Great tune. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you down the road. Thank you for taking the time to check out this online guitar lesson. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a whole lot easier at www.jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag and apparel, guitar gear, and sometimes we'll even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment below, and share this video with anyone you think might like it. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck!